Right, today, Eva, today. Right, this is a motorbike that I got in a box for Noah. Well, was it a year ago, half a year ago, something like that, 6 months ago. So anyway, this is wheels off it, and he decided he wants it blue. So I'm going to let the lad build it himself, sort of thing. So, well, but first there's some things obviously he can't do, and it's got a bit of rust here and there, and they don't look too grand, these wheels, do they? So what I'm going to do, first things first, get the paint and the old rust off. Rusty nuts, come on. Oh, look at that. Definitely going to have to clean these rusty nuts. No good for man the beast, that. Right, let's get at it. Clean it up. Come on then. Right, so there you have it, look. One that I haven't done, obviously. One that I've not 100% finished it. I need to get Dremel and, you know, do these little bits here on the inside and around these bits, but it doesn't half look better, does it? Do you know what I mean? Look at that, compared to this, like, where it was all like, see all these rust patches here, I had it on this one, where was it? There, look, all this was like that and all. So, fingers crossed, get this done. Like I say, Noe wants it blue, so Noe shall have it blue. And we're gonna do it from ground up, so let's get it done. Come on, crack on. One semi down, and I'm just gonna take this fucker down right now. Let's go. Right, Noe, what are you checking there? Clear lacquer. Right, go on, check it, son. Right. Look. Look at that. There's one of Noe's wheels done in it, son. Well, not done, but the last bit is to nearly done. Nearly done. The last bit is to get some lacquer on it. So yeah, there's one. So now we're gonna go do the other one. Clean it. Come on here then. And then obviously, yeah, boy. Give this a good lacquering, shall we say, and then go clean the other wheel, and then get that primered, painted, and jobs are good. And come on in, and it's all this Happy New Year snuff in it. But yeah, come on then. Right, New Year's Eve. We're back in the garage. Look, one wheel nearly done. Just need to lacquer it, which I'm gonna do. And this one, as you can see, wait there, turn this down a bit. As you can see on this wheel, we cleaned all this one up nicely and stuff, yeah. So look where it's all corroded and stuff here. I'm going to take this like little rubber bushing off here. Give this a good whirl with its look. Good old wire brush look. So that's what I'm doing with that. Look at it, yak. Anyway, we'll clean it all up. And then we'll be back in a minute. Come on in, let's go. Happy New Year's Eve and all that schnizzle, bye-bye. Who's in the mic, it's fucking me. And voila, not the best of jobs, we all know. But it'll do, and it's 100 times better than it was. You know what I mean? So, now we're gonna strip it, the paint back on the frame and do just these, like, these bars here blue. So, come on! Project PW50, come on. Look at that. Would you bloody look at that? Yes. Right, I'm only doing like I don't even know what it's called, outer bits, but I'll take all the paint off all the bits of these bars. But this is what you only see this, so it's pointless stripping all this, the paint from the frame that's under the tank and that. So I'm only doing the outside bits. So these, like, I don't know what it's called, but these bits, if you get me. And then obviously the other side, so I'm going to paint them blue so it stands out a bit more. If you get me, blood. Let's start with this schnizzle. Yeah, boy. Right. We're back again. Look. I remember what it's called now, subframe. Don't worry about this, people. This is just temporary. Remember, it's new house, so I'm going to have to paint it anyway. Anyway, we're going to have radiator drying. And then for little scruts that want to nick it this time, we've got the, was it the VIN numbers? So it's 4x4/2. Is that an 08200? And what was it, G?
So 4x4 made somewhere in between 1981 and 1983.
So that means, that's how we tell the, what year it is. So what was it, 4x4 means it was made from 1981 to 1983. So this is about around, was it 36 year old?
37 to 39 years old.
37 to 39 year old. So put that in your pipe and smoke it. Look at that bad boy, yeah, artwork, boys and girls. Come on, let's get it done. You little buggy, yeah. Come on, schnizzles.